Hello po, we are back. China the Filipina with my Lenis Traveler with the Filipino wife. Now we are here in Chestnut and Philadelphia. Chestnut Tower. Look at that. You didn't bring yours?
I got mine.
Ah, okay. And pupunta kami sa the art show. It's called art show.
Fine.
The one in the park.
I don't think it's going on anymore.
Last time when I go to the buy that Apple Pencil, it was off. It was on. I mean, it's still in there,
We can try
but
it.
I don't know.
We'll see.
Yeah, so guys, pupunta kami doon. It's weird. May ano ito. Dahil sa sobrang init ngayon, I mean, humid today, may Starbucks. Alam na Starbucks yan. Eka. Refreshing. It's called a refreshing. Bakit ba?
As you see, guys, the husband of the Sala is the cup holder.
Cup holder daw siya. Hindi kaya. Sawa duty lang. Cup holder. Cup holder.
Right here, recycle. It's a beautiful day.
Ngayon, are you gonna come with us tomorrow?
Scuro.
Yeah, we do filming. Because they only do a weekend.
There's Rittenhouse.
Plus the Rittenhouse Plaza. There you go. Fine art show, the Rittenhouse Square.
Oh, it is still here.
Breathless. Oh well. But, guys, dito kami nakatira sa Philadelphia. Yeah.
But check this out. Look at the beautiful church.
That's the church. Nice church, guys. So, ayan.
If you look down that way, the Schuylkill River's down there.
So, Schuylkill right there.
And this street right here is the famous Walnut Street.
So, this
There's
is
a lot of good boutique shops.
Walnut Street
There's an
here.
Apple store. And all types of good clothing stores too. Really nice here.
Yeah.
Not as big as New York. But
We have our
so let's check out the front.
see, maraming tao. Of course, yung park dito sa state ay always free. You can sit. You guys, pwede kayong umupo, mag-relax, mag-picnic. So, you can relax with me. Because, so first time to come here in here. Huh? You wanna sit? Yeah. Slow your roll. Please walk all bikes while in the square. Ah,
No
diba?
biking, no skating.
Bawal daw ang bike dito. So, kailangan mo,
What's that in the middle? Tiger or something?
I know.
What is that?
What is that?
Let's go see.
Guys,
Everybody seems to be looking.
hindi naman to kagaya ng Times Square sa Central Park. But we have a small one here.
Like it's a lion with a snake. Oh, look, they have a fountain there as well.
Oh, may fountain dito. Yeah. May volume down. this way. There's a dog. Go shower in here. Nice walk. King's Dog Park.
A bird there taking a nap.
Tara. You wanna see it?
It's a nice park.
Mm-hmm.
There was a water fountain there, so I don't see no more.
And a turtle.
1921. So it does look like.
So park. Tara. Yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna take a break. Tired already. Pagod na kami. Kaya uupo muna kami dito. Ang asawa ko at si Ida. So there's a time clock. The old days. Shadadadadadad.
See the bank.
So may art show, fine art show dito sa Rittenhouse Square. You should be predestined today. Okay, we can play when we're going back home. Because I was sleepy last night. So guys, ayan o. Yeah. So guys, may live band dito. Yeah, asking me my Bob Marley. Ay, di ba? So, Bob Marley there. I love it. So, guys, this is the park. Ito yung park namin dito sa Philadelphia. So, now, where pupunta kami ng store kasi magloloto ako ng munggo. May asawa favorite daw. I like to yeah. So yeah, like a Filipino food. He eats everything except the ang ating dessert. Pinakbet na ayaw niya. Ayaw niya. Tapos yung dessert sa atin, ayaw niya rin yan. Puto, moron. Kasi ayaw daw niyang ng coconut milk. Sarap kaya, coconut milk with the milk.
Hindi.
It's good. Pupunta sana kami ngayon ng Chicago, kaso kailangan ko pala magpa-appointment ng sa dentist. So, maybe next time we going in there.
There's a lot of cheap apartments around here too.
Here? What you doing
We
on?
almost moved here.
You should move here.
I can figure out the grocery store for you.
It's close. This is close my job.
Not when you first moved here.
Huh?
Not when we first moved here.
Oh.
We have no job here.
Mm-mm.
And guys, if you look right here, there is an extra entrance to the park.
So, another entrance done. So,
So we're gonna walk around this way.
yeah.
Go on the park. Guys, also if you look, spring is almost over because all the flowers are drying up.
Yeah.
We're quickly moving into summer.
Summer.
Hold that camera straight so we don't look crooked.
Ano. So, ha? So, bukas, ayan, smoke free pala to. Ay, may libre food. Oh, I don't know. What is it? Walang light.
Alam.
Tapos dito pala guys, may libreng pag may free, libreng pagkain dito. Oh, may, what is that in Japan? The dog. Hachiko.
Chico.
Hachiko, oh. Nandito si Hachiko. Nag-fly papuntang US. Hachiko, Philadelphia. Oh, guys, may may libre food dito. So, you wanna go in? Oh, see guys, nakita nyo yan? Yung truck na yan. So, libre food.
I'm gonna walk around the corner and see.
So, guys. Ito, dito sa it look like long line.
Must be good.
So, guys, dito sa US, daming free food. Small World Seafood. Small World. The seafoods. Oh,
Smell it. Smells fresh.
you gonna buy it. But you can cook it. Oh. What is that? You can buy? You can buy a it's a crab.
I know you can smell it.
Yeah. I think it's libre. You're gonna go to that line. They're libreng seafood dito. Oh. That's nice, America. May libre kang food. Pag ano ka dito, in America.
Another thing we got here, guys, is the free library.
Tapos may free library pa dito. You see guys, free library. Oh, free library dito.
I didn't even know that was there.
So if gusto mo mag-research so something, you got to the,
Still on that.
I don't know ano tawag dito. store, bathroom. Tapos pwede ka mag-sunbathing here. Lalo na ang ganda ng weather. Ayan guys, nagsasunbate. Okay guys. Balik ulit kami dito. See, may picnic. See, pwede ka mag-picnic dito with your family, friends. Sa Pinas. What's that? Rizal Park?
Park in Manila.
Rizal Park, yes. Rizal Park sa Manila. Hindi. Walang ganito dito doon. Doon puro, what's called it? A tourist and homeless. Sa tourist and homeless sa Rizal Park sa Pinas. Okay guys, pupunta kami sa yung may live band dun. Let's see this thing. It's like in New Orleans.